So here we can see what I was searching in the video or in the previous video product. Now we can see here product blocks is kept. Okay, so I am just tick here, drag and drop to the untitled. This model name is not saved till now, so it is, that's why it's coming untitled. Once that save this model, then that model name should come here. As we already studied in basics of Matlab, that of Matlab file extension, so Simulink model having file extension of .slx. Okay, so in a product, if I'm double clicking here, I told you here how we can go with the help or something. So if double clicking any block, we will get one block. We will get all the product description, like what product block will we do, or what types of inputs we want, number of inputs we want. If you want to increase number of inputs, like if I want to multiply the four things together, so I can increase from here as well the number of inputs. You can see that input will come here. Okay, I'll make it till let and not to only itself. Okay, and here you can see some help browser is here. Okay, so if you can click on here, so Matlab documentation regarding this block, it will open and it will be having how we can use complete block for the product, like scalar multiplication or like non-scalar multiplication, how can we use, and all these things should be documented here. Okay, fine. This is how we can use a help browser. So let's create one simple basic model in the Simulink. Okay, so working with a sample model, changing a parameter, labeling our block parameter and signals, and running the simulation, defining the parameters in a Matlab variable, and saving and opening the model. Okay, fine. Let's get started with this. Okay, so here you can see I'll be having this product block. Okay, to multiply two things, I want the two inputs. So I already told you one option is like drag and drop the Simulink library correct from here to here directly. And another option, if you know the names of the block, you can double click on the Simulink stream. You search window is up, and you can search here what you want, and you will get it here easily. So that much user friendly Simulink is for us. Okay. If I didn't want to search one more time, right click on a mouse and take it down. Drag and drop options also available here. Okay. So I want to multiply two numbers. Okay, so I'll make it like 5 and apply. Okay, and 5 I'll multiply with 5. We will take a 5 square. Okay, and output we can see on a display. So these two inputs I have taken from source, and from sync that display will come in a library. This thing you can find in a sync. Okay, I'll show you here. In library, from source we can take this constant blocks, and from sync we can take this display. Okay, and from multiplier math operators are there. Some from here we can get multi product something what. Okay, here somewhat here you can see product, that block we are using here. Okay, so as I told you, we are having this block, two inputs, one operation and output we will seeing on display. Okay, now here you can see in this browser, I'll simply click on run, and whatever the output of that 5 into 5, you everyone know it's 25, it's showing in a display. Okay, we can see that model is running. Okay, fine. So this model is run and the output is 25. It's here, you can see now. So this is some basic process how we can create a Simulink model and all this thing. Now, as you can see here, one example is here. Y is equal to 4 into sine t. Okay, 4 into sine t minus 10. Okay, we can perform this example as well for us. So you will get some better idea. So we want some sine block, gain block. Gain block is work as a multiplier, and subtract adder block. That adder we can make a subtract block as well, and one constant, and another one is a scope. Okay, so I come here in Matlab. Okay, fine. I want one constant. That value was constant is 10. Another one is sine block. Okay. No, this sine I didn't want. This one also I did not. Okay. Okay. From source, I have taken from source. You can see when I was searching here sign. So here also that path is coming. I was taken this from lookup table, but I have to take it from source. Okay. So make sure if you are taking for some input, you have to take it from source. Okay. Next is gain law. Gain law. Okay. Then adder. But I'll make this adder as a subtractor. Instead of 2 plus sign, I'll make it on minus sign here. And this will change this property. Adder to subtractor. And I place here. So either it will use for this answer. Okay. You can make in that way some block or you can search for subtractor. So you will get subtractor as well. Whatever comfortable you want, that much Simulink is user friendly for us. Okay. So I delete this instead of making much more complications. I'll delete this. I'll add this here. I will subtract this here, and I will connect on scope to see the graph. I'm missing something here. And then subtractor gain is 4. I'll give the value to the gain 4 because here you can see y is equal to 4 into sine t minus 10. Okay. So in Matlab, you can see here I'll replace that. I'll change that gain value to 4 by double clicking. I am doing this simply. Okay. If you are doing first time, so you get some confusions how you can give this gain value, how we can change this value. You can double click on that. You will get one tab here and you can change it from here. Matlab is very user friendly. When we are using, we can change anything how we want and all this thing. Okay. Now I am simulating this model. Okay. And I'll open this scope. Once model is simulated. So you can see our sine wave is performed. What we want 4 into sine t minus 10. Okay. So whatever operations we are doing, that same graph what we are getting in here result, that same graph that they are also we are getting. Okay. So this is all about the working with Matlab. So in next class we will start how Simulink works. Okay. That's it. Thank you.